And how long have you been waiting out here?
About 2 o'clock.
How do you feel? Are you excited about going in?
Yeah, probably a little warmer inside than it is out here.
What have you heard about the park?
Well, we're just really excited because the lazy river, I think, is probably the thing that I would like to do the most. Yes.
Okay. And he's gonna be swimming today?
He is. I'm gonna.
Fun so far? What's your favorite part?
The big blue slides.
Did you go down pretty fast on it? Yeah. Well, why is it your favorite?
It's my favorite because it has this thing at the bottom where you go round and round.